vegetables?
Yes, I like vegetables.
You like vegetables?
I like vegetables.
I like vegetables.
Now, vegetables grow in the earth. Like, what is this?
carrot.
It's a carrot. It's a carrot.
It's a carrot, right? It's a carrot!
It's a carrot.
Now, in a carrot, do you eat the top or the bottom?
Oh, I know. The bottom.
Yes, we eat the bottom.
We eat the bottom.
Okay, so let's sort it out. We eat the top or we eat the bottom, okay? We eat the top.
We eat the top.
We eat the bottom.
We eat the bottom.
In a radish, what do you eat?
We eat the bottom.
Yes. In a pumpkin, what do you eat?
We eat the top.
Yes. In beans, what do you eat?
We eat the top.
Yes, excellent. In peas, what do you eat?
We eat the top.
Yes. Oh, difficult one. Ooh.
Right?
In corn, what do you eat?
We eat the top.
Yes, okay. In carrots,
We eat the bottom.
yes. In potatoes,
We eat the bottom.
yes. In barley,
We eat the top.
we eat the top. Okay, excellent. Now, you can adapt this game to other things. For example, is it something that belongs to the pilgrims or belongs to the Indians? Is it good? Is it bad? Okay, you can have that dual thing. Now, one other thing, you can play this game where sometimes you're not sure. So let's use a Venn diagram. What is a Venn diagram? Circle, circle, and an area in the middle where it's both, okay? And you'll say, it's both, okay?
It's both.
Okay. Have fun with this game. You can use it as a teaser, as a practice, and you can even go as far as use it as a perform activity with kids asking the question, where does it go? What is it? Etc. etc. Okay? Thanks. Bye.